In today's video, we will learn how to do proper color correction, which will make your video more vibrant. Let's begin by going to the timeline. Here I have an earlier footage where no color correction has been done, and this is what it looks like after the color correction. Now we will learn how to do color correction. First, we'll go to the effect controls and delete any previous color correction. Then we will go to Windows and turn on the Luma T-Scope option. Here you can see the Luma T-Scope panel. We mainly need two options, Vector Scope YUV and Parrot RGB. Make sure both these options are checked. If you don't see the Parrot RGB option, select it for the menu. To correct the skin tone, we will use the Vector Scope YUV, where you can see the red and yellow lines. This skin tone usually falls between these two colors. This long line helps us understand if the skin tone is correct. Next, we will adjust the highlight. Keep the highlight between 80 and 90. If you go above 100, the color will get ruined. At the bottom, you will find shadow. Shadow should always be kept around 10. Now go to Luma T color and make some basic correction. Lower the expose to around 90. Decrease the black a bit, and depending on the footage, you may need to lower the expose even more. Increase the contrast, but be careful not to lower the highlight too much. Then increase the highlight a little and decrease the shadow to keep them between 90 and 10. Here how the footage looks before, and here's what it looked like after color correction. Now most important part is the skin tone. To ensure the correct skin tone, we will go to the effect control and create a mask on any part of the body. Now if we go to Luma T-Scope, we can see the skin tone on the line. It must be kept within this line. If the color is not on the correct line, we can adjust it using the tint color option. If I move forward red, the tone will shift forward red, and if I move the other way, it will move forward yellow. It will shift forward yellow. We need to align the skin tone to this line by adjusting the color. Now it's correct. If I go to effect controls and delete marks, we can see the skin tone is now accurate. You can also save this color correction as a preset. To do this, go to Luma T Colors Save Preset. Give it a name and save it. On save, you can delete this color correction and go to Effects, search for the Save Preset by name. You will see it appears, and you can drag it into the timelines over your video layers to get the same color correction as before. For more video editing tips and tricks like this, click out our previous videos and subscribe to the channel to see our upcoming tutorials.